Hi guys, so welcome again sa Derive. So in today's video, we're going to answer a motion problem, of course, under engineering mathematics. So enough muna tayo sa machine design problem. So ano muna tayo? Engineering mathematics problem naman tayo. So tirayan natin ngayon yung motion problem. So ayan. Sabi, kuha lang ako ng tinta. So yellow tayo. Yun. Sabi, a train an hour after starting meets an accident which detains the train in 1 hour after it, which proceeds at 3/5 of its former rate and arrives 3 hours late. But had the accident happened 50 miles further, it would have been 1.5 hours late only. Find the original rate of the train and the length of the journey. So as you can see, guys, it is a medyo komplikado na problem, hindi tulad ng ibang motion problem na andyan yung direct sub, or kung hindi man direct sub, hindi ganyan karaming details. So we need to pay attention on every detail of this problem in order for us to arrive on the final answer. Pero iisa-isahin natin yan. That's why I'm here to explain this or to answer this one. So samahan nyo ako. Of course, later we need our calculator. Okay. So, kailangan natin ulitin yung problem, isa-isahin natin. Kasi nga, maraming details. So, a train an hour after starting meets with an accident which detains in 1 hour after it, which proceeds at 3/5 of its former rate and arrive 3 hours late. So, we can tell that there are two scenarios. So, sa una, yung train daw nagsimula or umandar ng 1 oras. Tapos, pagtapos nun, naka-meet siya ng accident na nag-detain sa kanya ng 1 hour. Pero, pagtapos daw nung ayusin ng aksidente, umalis na yung tren at tumakbo nung 3/5 nung original velocity niya. So, ibig sabihin binagalan. Nakarating naman siya sa destination niya kaso 3 hours late siya. Okay? So, sa pangalawa naman, but had the accident happened 50 miles further, it will have been 1.5 hours late only. So, sabi, kung nangyari daw yung aksidente 50 miles pa na mas malayo, darating din sa destination yung tren, pero isa't kalahating oras lang yung late niya. So, kumpara mo sa 3 hours late ng scenario 1. So, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang scenario. Okay? So, dito tayo sa unang scenario. So, let this line, nag-drawing na ako ng line kasi hindi ako diretsong mag-sulat ng line dito. So, let this line had an overall distance of x. Okay, yan. Yan. So, gawin na natin siyang x. Yan. Sabi ko na, hindi ako marunong ng diretsong line dito eh. Alright. So, that will be our total distance of x. Ibig sabihin, yan yung total journey. No? Or total length of the journey. So, yan yung isa sa hinahanap natin. So, the length of the journey and the original rate. Okay. So, sabi, let this point be point A, and sabi, a train an hour after starting. So, sabihin natin ito yung 1 hour niya. Alright. Tapos, kunyari, hindi pala kunyari, sabi na aksidente siya dito at point, sabihin natin point B. So, lagay natin na sabi, dinitain daw siya ng 1 hour dyan yung tren. So, it will become total, our time at point B is 1 hour. Okay. So, ayan. Sabi, after it, which proceeds at 3/5 of its former rate and arrive 3 hours late. So, kung meron tayong from point A to point B na velocity V, so sabihin natin designated as B, of course, that's constant from A to B. Kaso huminto at niretain, from point B hanggang sa destination niya, sabihin natin point C, bumagal na daw. Naging 3/5 velocity. Okay? So, yan yung velocity niya, 3/5B. Kaso, ayun nga, dahil sa aksidente, nag-arrive siya ng 3 hours late. So, sabihin natin, TO is the original time. Original time without accident. So we all know that in motion problem, kapag diretso, constant velocity, walang hinto, walang hindrance. So we all know that x is equal to vt. Alam natin yan. So kung walang aksidente, ang original time natin is x over b. So total distance mo ng x, meron kang v dito na velocity. Pero na-aksidente nga tayo. So ibig sabihin, o yung trend, so ibig sabihin yung total time from A to C is TO plus 3 hours. Tama? If this is your original, so i-zero mo to kung walang aksidente, pero meron. So TO plus 3. So TAC is equal to TO plus 3. So ang TAC naman natin will become yung total time from A to B plus yung isang oras na na-detain. And of course, yung oras from B to C, which is bumagal na siya. Okay, so we all know that TAB is 1 hour plus yung TB 1 hour ulit. And of course, we all know that T is equal to distance over velocity. So from B to C, ano ba yung distance niya? So let us say that the distance from B to C is Y. So Y. Okay, Y. Of course, that will become Y. And velocity from B to C bumagal nga. Siguro in order to avoid accident na naman, 3 over 5B is equal to TO, which is X over B plus 3. Okay. So we have three unknowns here, Y, X, and B. And we all know that we have only two scenarios na pwedeng panggalingan ng equations. And we cannot solve three unknowns with two equations only. So in order to reduce that, we all know that X and Y has the relationship. So lagay na lang natin dito para magka-space pa yung second scenario. So that will become, we all know that the distance, kunyari, distance, sumulat ka, yan, distance from A to B plus Y is equal to total X. Okay? So we all know that distance AB is equal to velocity times time. So we all know that the velocity of A to B is B. Siyempre, meron diyang 1 hour kanina. Plus Y is equal to X. So Y will become X minus B. So pwede ko na siyang bura tayo ng konti doon. Para hindi tayo mulit ng equations. Yan. Yan. So it will become X minus V. Okay. Oh, so yun, meron na tayong X and V unknown only. So ayan, i-fix natin yung equation. So in order for us na hindi na tayo magtagal dito, so alam naman, marunong naman tayo lahat mag isa-isa ng terms. So our equation will become X is equal to 4B. So simplifying this, and this will become lead to this. X is equal to 4B. So scratch mo na lang guys. Scratch nyo na lang guys para makatipid tayo ng oras dito. So this will be our equation 1 for our first scenario. Okay, so saan ulit tayo? So sa second naman tayo. Dito naman, ang sabi, but had the accident happened 50 miles further? Na-late lang daw ng dating ng 1.5 oras kung nangyari ay ang aksidente 50 miles further. So it will be the same situation. Ang problema nga lang, imbis na sa point B huminto, so bago mag point B, may 50 miles ka na. So paano yun ulit? So let this distance is also become X again. So sana diretso na, no? Ayan, medyo diretso na siya. So let this point A. So nag-travel ulit siya ng 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. So tapos 50 miles further. So it will become, kunyari dito yung 50 miles. Saan kaya mga, siguro dito na lang, 50 miles. Yan. 50 miles. At syempre dito na yung point B. So of course, tumigil uli. Syempre na-aksidente sila. Na-retain uli sila ng 1 hour. And of course, in order for them siguro to avoid accident na naman, Siyempre, tumakbo uli sila ng 3/5 ng original velocity hanggang point C. So kung dito, ang total time from A to C is TO plus 3. So magiging ano naman dito sa second scenario. So TAC from A to C is equal to TO plus 1.5 only. So ito yan, 1.5 hours late. Okay, so meron tayo agad equation dito. Sabihin natin na from point A to B, meron siyang constant velocity na V. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, isang oras, nag-start at syempre 50 miles further, dun pa lang siya na-discrasha. Ibig sabihin, from point A to point B here, meron pa rin siya motion na velocity V or velocity designated by the small v. So, similar to this, yan yung mangyayari. So, our total time from A to C is equal to TO plus 1.5. So, our T A to C, so dito na nga tayo. TA to C is equal to, ano yung TA? So 1, or from point A to B, so that will become 1 hour plus, so wala tayong time dito, na after ng 1 hour papuntang disgrasya, meron lang tayo ay 50 miles. But we all know that X is equal to VT and time is equal to X divided by velocity. So yun, no? Medyo ano lang yung sulat ko, nag-distort. So that will become time is equal to X divided by velocity. So sabihin na lang natin na from point A to B meron tayong distance na DAB, and let this from point B to point C has a distance designated by letter Y again. Okay? So ayun, may tumutunog pero tingin ko hindi naman disgrasya sa tren yun, no? So ayun, tuloy tayo. So 1 plus, so mga engineers naman ay ano yan, kahit anong problema, anong abala, hindi tayo susuko. So hindi tayo titigil, lalo na sa pag-review. So this is 1 hour for the time, and we all know the time is equal to X, or distance divided by velocity. So DAB here will become DAV, so it will become DAB. So ang DAB natin is, ayan, DAB, so that was, so ang DAB natin is 50. Alang, burahin ko lang ha. So, burahin ko lang. Ayan. So that will become DAB. So ang DAB mo kasi ang 50 miles lang yung given. So ang DAB natin is 1 hour plus 50. Kung ano yung total time travel ng 1 hour plus 50 miles. So burahin natin yung 1 hour muna dito para dito malito. Ayan. So that will become, kung ano yung dito from point A hanggang isang oras. So ang total distance niya is V times 1. So that will become V. Ang total distance ng DAB is TAV is equal to 50 plus V. Kasi ito yun eh, A to B. So that will become V plus 50. B plus 50. So itong V natin dito, ano na yan in miles na yan Nagkataon lang kasi na 1 hour lang, kaya pag V times 1 is V pa rin. So that will become B plus 50. So that will become your distance AB. Of course, divide mo pa siya because time is equal to distance divided by velocity. Of course, that will become your velocity. Siyempre, dito na tayo. So, na-retain pa siya ng 1 hour. So, plus 1 hour for your TB plus from time from B to C. So, we'll know that from time to B to C, alam natin na ang distance niyan is Y over 3 or over 5 velocity ulit. Ang kaso, mangyayari dyan, guys, we all know that DAB plus Y is equal to X. So kagaya ng unang equation, nagiging tatlo na naman kasi unknown yan. So in order for the equation to have two unknowns only, alam naman natin na may relationship si distance AB plus Y, and that is the total X. And we all know that the distance AB is here. And yan, distance AB yan. So it will become y is equal to x minus b. That was b. b plus 50. Gawin na natin siyang x minus v minus 50. So it will become, guys, burahin ko na to ha. Ayan. 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 So that will become x minus b minus 50 is equal to PO. Lagi yan, x divided v plus 1.5. So yun, v and x na lang kulang, parang dito. Nakapag-simplify na rin tayo. X is equal to 4b and we're going to simplify this again. So that will become, sabihin na natin v plus 50 plus 1. So alam natin v divided by b. So that will become 1 plus 50 over v. So wag malilito guys, b divided by b is 1. 50 divided by b is 50 over b plus 1 plus. So yung 3 over 5 sa ilalim, ilagay ko na sa numerator. So that will become 5/3 x minus v minus 50 divided by v is equal to x over b plus 1.5. Okay, so lahat may numerator na b except for the constant. So pwede natin silang paghiwalayin lahat. Okay. So saan tayo pwedeng magbura? We're running out of space. Siguro in order for us na hindi magbura, so meron naman tayong terms, pwede na tayong mag-shift solve dito. So because we have the x is equal to 4b, pwede nating insert siya dito and insert siya dito. Tama? So lahat matitira magiging v. Ito magiging 4b minus b. Ito magiging 4b. So walang matitirang x. So this is a good solution. So sa mga scratch nyo na lang guys, kayo mag-isa-isa. In order for us to save time, ang mahalaga is na-point out natin yung principles or yung procedure ng pagsosolve ng motion problem na to. So, totoo nga problem to. So, sobrang problema nito. Bukod sa na-aksidente yung trend, aalamin mo pa kung ano yung original rate, pati yung haba. So, sa mga nakakaisip kung ano ba ang kahalagahan ng mathematics sa ating sa ating pag-engineering. So, ito yon. Halimbawa, magko-conduct ka ng investigation. So, you need to know the original rate of the train. Of course, yung mga distances. So, kailangan din talaga natin. So, shift solve natin isa-isa. So, our letter B will become, so, samahan niyo ako, 1 plus. So, ito guys, ano yun natin to? Meron na tayong constant dito. 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to, ayan, may plus 2 tayo dito, tapos may plus 1.5 tayo dito. So, pwede natin siyang burayan na. So, yan. So, yan. So, i-transpose mo si 2 dito. So, it will become minus 2. So, that will become minus 0.5 na lang. So, kaya mahalaga na huwag ka mag-skip sa ating procedure. So, ayan. At least, nababaan natin yung itatype natin. So, that will become 50 over x. So, yung x natin dito, yan yung letter V. Plus 5/3 x. So, it will become 4 v minus v minus 50 is equal to ano na ito? 4b divided b, so that will become 3x na minus 0.5. Okay, yan. So, ang kabila, it will become 3x minus 0.5 kasi si x over b, that will become 4b divided by b. So, it will become 3v minus 0.5 and shift solve. So, medyo matagal mag-shift solve, no? Kaya mas mahalaga na isa-isahin algebraically yung mga equations. Pero, kung mabilis naman yung calculator mo, why not? So yan, plus tayo. So habang nag-iintay tayo ng sagot, siguro mabagal na itong calcu ko dahil matagal na to. So isa-isayin na nga natin guys. 50 over x. So that will become, ano na nga, 50. So isa-isayin na natin. So it will become, pura tayo. Oh, sorry kung matagal tayo dito. Kasi mahirap naman talaga yung problem. So it will become 50 over b plus 5/3. So 4b minus b will become 3b minus 50 divided by b. Ito. Mine is equal to 3v. So magiging ano na yan? Ay 4b divided by v. So it will become 4 minus 0.5. So mali pala kanina, kaya pala mag-solve ng 3 natin dito. So that was 4b divided by v is equal to 4. So that will become 3.5. So our v will become, so dito na lang. Our v will become 50. Ayun, no, simpleng ano, no? Kaya mas mahalaga talaga i-simplify eh. 5/3. So that will become 3. X minus 50 divided by 3x is equal to 3.5. So ganyan na siya. So ayan, meron tayong v is equal to 22.22 miles per hour. Kasi miles yung 50 natin kanina. Plus hours yung kanina nating mga 3 and 1 and 1/2. So we have the v. And of course, sa equation 1 natin, sa situation 1, makukuha natin yung total distance. So x is equal to 4 times 22.22. Of course, that will become 88.88 miles. So ayun. So natapos din natin. Nakuha natin yung velocity and the total distance or length of the journey using two equations because we have the two situations. Okay, that's all guys for this video, and ayun, kita-kits sa mga susunod nating video. I will keep on uploading on our page, and please visit also my YouTube channel. Of course, Derive pa rin yung pangalan. Salamat sa pakikinig at sa pagsama. See you on our next videos. Bye-bye.